Unlocking the secrets of a bibliography. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to uncover what a bibliography is and why it's such an important part of writing and research. Whether you're writing an essay, a report, or just curious, understanding a bibliography is crucial. So, let's dive in. A bibliography is essentially a list. But it's not just any list. It's a list of the books, articles, and other sources you've used to research a topic. This list is usually found at the end of academic papers, books, or articles, serving as a roadmap of the research journey the writer took. Why bother with a bibliography? Well, it serves two main purposes. Firstly, it gives credit to the authors whose work informed your own, which is a cornerstone of academic integrity. Secondly, it provides a resource for readers to follow up on your research, exploring the topic further on their own. Did you know there are different types of bibliographies? Let's look at two primary types. Descriptive bibliography. This form details the physical attributes of a book, such as its publication data, the material of the binding, and the typeset. Analytical bibliography. This one goes deeper, examining the textual history of documents, how books were made, and how texts have been transmitted over time. Creating a bibliography might seem daunting, but it's all about organization. Start by keeping track of sources as you research. Then, format them according to the style guide you're using, like APA, MLA, or Chicago. Each source entry should include the author's name, the work's title, and publication details. There you have it, a beginner's guide to understanding and creating a bibliography. Remember, a well-crafted bibliography not only supports your work but also enhances it by showing the depth of your research. We hope this video helps you in your writing endeavors. Happy researching, and see you next time.